Earlier in the year, I told you about these detail kits that I bought with cash gift I received last Christmas. It included 5 platform lights which mount on the catenary gantries, and I soon set about making the first one as a trial to see how they would go. This is the story of that construction. The metal tube which forms the pole for the light needed a small hole drilling towards one end to take the wiring for the LED. So I used the finest bit I could find for my Dremel multi-tool to make the hole. It required a lot of patience and a steady hand. Drilling the hole was fiddly enough, but threading the wires through the tube, which means bending them at almost 90 degrees just inside the hole, was even fiddlier and took a good deal longer. But once that was in place, I was then able to assemble the lamp fitting at the top of the tube. I then soldered in a resistor and connected the lamp temporarily to the 12-volt supply on my workbench and tested it to make sure that all was well. And this is how it will look when fixed to the gantry by its bracket.